As the 95th anniversary of the Vietnam Fatherland Front approaches, people all over the country are coming together in unity.
Yes, and in that spirit, on Thursday morning, Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh attended the Great National Unity Festival and celebrated the occasion with residents of Thang Kien Village, Ghi Commune, Gia Lai Province.
This year's Great National Unity Festival takes place as the country races to meet the goals of the 13th Party Congress and implements the two-tier administrative model to serve the public better and drive development. Many regions are still recovering from historic floods and natural disasters, but are quickly returning to daily life. Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh commended Gia Lai Province, especially Thang Kien Village in the Ghi Commune, for its strong disaster response and socio-economic progress. He also highlighted the path ahead, safeguarding independence, sovereignty and security, maintaining social order and strengthening national unity.
We must build a spirit of national unity and solidarity among our people. The government cares, the people care. Society cares, businesses care, and each of us takes responsibility for ourselves as well. Everyone should focus on their own duties and responsibilities and join hands to overcome difficulties and challenges. We should also promote our strengths so that we can all share in the joy and happiness that we bring to the people.
Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh also urged leading organizations to continue implementing the directives of Party General Secretary To Lâm. Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh also presented gifts to low-income households, policy beneficiary families, and those affected by recent storms and floods in the province. The Central Committee of the Vietnam Fatherland Front pledged $569,000 to Gia Lai Province, while others committed $1.7 million to rebuild the Ghi Commune, which was heavily damaged by the recent natural disasters.